Do you want to remove your TikTok profile picture, but you don't know how to do it? We'll show you a couple of ways on how you can easily remove your current photo from the TikTok profile. So just make sure you stay until the end of this video so you don't make any mistakes. Let's open the TikTok application on our iOS or Android phone and then go over to your TikTok profile. We'll then tap on this Edit Profile in order to open our TikTok editor. As you can see, my current profile photo is my channel logo. But let's say I want to remove this photo, maybe change it with another photo or just leave it blank. If I tap on the Change Photo button, it's going to give me an option to take a new photo with the camera, upload a photo, or I can view the photo. As you can see, I don't have an option to remove the photo completely, but don't worry, I'll show you a little trick. Let's say you don't want your current photo on the profile and you just want to change it to anything else. You can simply click on the Take Photo option, and that's going to open our TikTok camera. Just put your phone on the table and take a photo, and then your profile picture will be black, and you won't have the old profile picture anymore. But if you don't want any profile photo on your TikTok page, and you want that default profile photo, then you want to exit the TikTok application and then open your web browser and go over to google.com. We want to type default profile picture, and then go over to the Images section. You can easily download any profile photo you like, and I'm going to save this specific photo into my camera roll or photo gallery. And when you do this step and save the photo, simply open TikTok once again, then go to the profile editor, and then we'll upload a photo by clicking here. That will open your photo gallery where you want to select the default profile photo which we had just saved. Save the changes by clicking here, and that's it. You can see that your TikTok account looks like it doesn't have a profile picture, and that's just what we want. That's essentially how you can remove your profile picture on TikTok. If you need more similar TikTok tutorials like this one, then check out the TikTok playlist from the description down below, and I'll see you in the next video.